length of the perpendicular from origin, length of the perpendicular from origin to a straight line is length of the perpendicular from origin to a straight line is some 5 units, 5 units, and it makes some 300 degrees with positive direction of x-axis. Positive direction of x-axis. Then find the equation of the line. Then find equation of line. This is the question. So here, length of the perpendicular from origin to a straight line is 5 units and P is given, that is. So here in question, what is given? So P is given as 5 units and the perpendicular makes an angle 300 degrees with the positive direction of x-axis. Therefore, if you draw the rough diagram, so this is x-axis and y-axis. So a required line will be 300 degrees. That is 300 is, therefore the straight line will be like this. This is greater than 180 degrees. Therefore, so this is the perpendicular. So this distance is given as what? 5 units. This is always positive distance. P is always positive. So this angle is, so what is the angle? This one. So now this angle is given as what? 300 degrees. Then it is being asked to find the straight line equation. So here P is given as what? 5 and alpha is given as 300 degrees. So alpha is given as 300 degrees. Therefore required line is what? Normal form. Required line is x cos alpha, that is 300 degrees, plus y sin alpha 300 degrees is equal to 5. X into, how can you write this thing? 270 plus 30 or not? Plus y into sin 270 plus 30 degrees is equal to 5 units. Now tell me, x 270 is an odd multiple of 90. Therefore, cos becomes sin. So in which quadrant? Here it is in third quadrant. In third quadrant, sin is what? All silver T. Tan cot positive, sin is negative. Therefore, here you will have minus sin 30 degrees plus y into sin
270 plus 30 is
270 plus 30 is
fourth quadrant.
Okay, sorry. 300 kada. Okay, our diagram is wrong kada. Then
Yes, sir.
Okay, we'll correct it. Sorry, 270. I thought that 180. Okay, now. Okay, therefore, so diagram will be like this: 270 plus 30, right? So this is 300. Sorry. So this is 300 degrees. This distance is 5 units, right? Now it's okay, right? Now,
Yes.
See, now 270 plus the first, second, third, fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant, this x, the odd multiple of pi by 2, therefore cos becomes sin. In fourth quadrant, cos is what? Positive. Therefore sin 30 degrees. Plus y into, this is also fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant sin is negative. And sin becomes cos. Minus cos 30 degrees is equal to 5. Therefore, x into sin 30 is 1 by 2 minus cos 30 is root 3 by 2 is equal to 5. Therefore, required line is x minus root 3y is equals to 10 or x minus root 3y minus 10 equal to 0. So this is the required line. Okay. Na? Convert some 2x minus 3y is 2x minus 3y plus 10 equal to 0 into normal form. Into normal form. So to convert, this is the general equation of the straight line. So at the end I will explain about it. So now to convert this into normal form, what you do is, so first step is that is 2x minus 3y is equal to minus 10. You take out this 10 right hand side. Then what you do is you make this constant after sending right hand side, you make that constant as positive. So to make it positive, I will explain why to make positive. So if we multiply with the minus, then what you get? Minus 2x plus 3y is equal to 10. So then what you do is you divide throughout, that is both sides, by this minus 2 whole square plus 3 square. Yes or no? So next what you do is, yes, then 4 plus 9, which is equal to what? Root 13. So if we divide, then it becomes what? Minus 2x by root 13, 3 by root 13, y is equal to 10 by root 13. So why to divide it by under root of a square plus b square? Because you will get the sine alpha cos alpha from right angle triangle. Yes or no? Therefore, suppose this is a b c, otherwise this is from this right angle triangle. Sorry. So this is a b c, therefore this is c, this is b, this is a, therefore c square is equal to a square plus b square. That's why I divided into a square plus b square. Then what you get here, coefficient of x is minus 2 by root 13, coefficient of y is 3 by root 13. So if minus 2 by root 13 is sine cos alpha, 3 by root 13 will be sine alpha. So that's why, and directly see, you can say like this. So directly it is of the form x into cos alpha plus y into sine alpha equal to p. Can we take p as 10 and cos alpha as minus 2, sine alpha as 3? That is not possible, because cos alpha never be minus 2. Cos alpha minimum value itself is minus 1. Sine alpha never be 3. Yes or no? Sine alpha maximum value is 1 only. Similarly, sine alpha never be minus 2, cos alpha never be 3. Yes or no? Directly we cannot say x cos alpha plus 1. That's why I am dividing with this one. Then it is less than minus 1, and it is less than greater than minus 1, and it is less than 1. Now if this is cos alpha, this one will be sine alpha. See, we will check. Cos alpha is equal to minus 2 by root 13. Then sine alpha is equal to what? 3 by root 13. Now square and add. What you get? Cos alpha plus sine alpha. 4 by 13 plus 9 by 13. Therefore, 1 is equals to 1. Therefore, this is cos alpha. This one is sine alpha. So now, why I made this 10 positive, tell me? Because if you convert in, already we have seen x cos alpha plus y sine alpha equal to p. What is p? Perpendicular distance from origin to line. That's why here this must be positive. That's why I made 10 positive. Now in this one, x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p. It is a normal form. Here cos alpha is equal to what? Minus 2 by root 13. Sin alpha is equals to what? So 3 by root 13, and P is equal to perpendicular distance is 10 by root 13. So if you try to draw this diagram, rough diagram, how will be the diagram? This is y-axis and x-axis. What is the slope of this line? So to write the slope of this line, so y equal to mx plus form. If you write it in the form of y equal to mx plus c, 3y is equal to 2x plus 10. Y is equal to what? 2 by 3x plus 10 by 3. Slope intercept form. So 2 by 3 is what? Tan theta. M is equal to tan theta is equal to 2 by 3, which is what? Positive. Means the line makes an acute angle with the positive direction of x-axis. Yes or no? Acute angle means the line will be, how will be, and yes, the line will be, acute angle means the line will be like this. Orientation of the line will be like this. If it is negative, obtuse angle, orientation will be like this, because this angle is negative. Here it's acute angle we got, the orientation will be like this because this angle is less than 90 degrees. Now where this intersect the x-axis? So this is the one more point. Next, where this intersect the x-axis? On x-axis y is 0. If you put y is equal to 0, then what you get? X is equal to what? Minus 5. It intersect the x-axis at minus 5. Yes, rough diagram. This one is x-axis at minus 5 comma 0. On y-axis x is 0. Y is equals to what? X is 0. Y is equal to positive. Y is equal to 10 by 3. 10 by 3 means 3 point something. Therefore, somewhere. This is 0 comma 10 by 3. So the line will be roughly this one. It's acute angle, yes or no? This angle is acute angle, see, because tan theta is positive. Now this one, what is this distance? This P, 10 by root 13, yes sir. So this distance P is equal to 10 by root 13. Clear? A canal, a canal is 4.5 kilometers from a place. 4.5 kilometers from a place, and the shortest route the shortest route from this place to the canal is exactly northeast. Full stop. A village is 3 kilometers north and 4 kilometers east. 4 kilometers east from the place. Does it lie on canal? Does it lie on canal? This is the question. See here, when here a canal is 4 kilometers, a canal is 4.5 kilometers from a place is given. From a place means this is the reference point. Generally, what we take the reference point as in coordinate geometry? Nothing is mentioned, just place is given. Starting point, what we take in general? Reference origin. Yes, because this is the reference frame. So we take the place as this one. This is the starting point generally. Yes. Now, see, a canal is 4.5 kilometers from a place, and the shortest route from this place to the canal is exactly northeast. So shortest route is northeast means, see here, this is north, south, east, west or not? Yes. So canal and shortest route is northeast, means the place is O, yes or no? Now, so this is the canal, because shortest route from the canal is what? Northeast. See, this is the canal. See, shortest route means what? Suppose this is the point from the origin. How many distances are possible from origin to any given, from given point to line? Infinitely many distances are there. From all those distances, shortest distance is what? Perpendicular distance or not? Okay,
Yes. Yes.
perpendicular distance is the least distance. Now the shortest, now read the question. And the shortest route from this canal, this place to the canal is exactly northeast. Exactly northeast means what? Exactly, it makes 45 degrees. So northeast means this angle is what? Angle made by the perpendicular distance dropped from origin to that canal is 45 degrees. Then only we call this as northeast distance. This is north and east, exactly northeast means 45 degrees, total is 90 degrees. And canal distance is what? 4.5 kilometers. 4.5 kilometers means 9/2. So this distance is what? 9/2. Means indirectly it is given that what? P is given as what? P is given as 9/2. Alpha is given as what? 45 degrees. Now can you write the canal equation?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay, just a minute. What we have done? A canal is 4.5 kilometers from a place, and the shortest route from this place to the canal is exactly northeast, right? Right. A village is now, yes. Now see, now what is the canal equation? Canal is a straight line or not? It's a. So canal equation is what? Normal form, can you write or not? X cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to P. P is given, alpha is given. Therefore, canal equation is what? X cos 45 degrees plus y sin 45 degrees is equal to 9/2. This is the equation of the canal. Therefore, cos 45 is 1/√2. Therefore, x by 1/√2, y by sin 45 is also 1/√2 is equals to 9/2. So that implies x plus y is equals to 9 into √2/2. That is nothing but x plus y is equals to 9/√2. That implies x plus y. Okay, let it be like this one. So this is the equation of the canal. Now come to the question. Now, a village is 3 kilometers north and 4 kilometers east from the place. From the place means this one. The village is 3 kilometers north. 3 kilometers north. 3 kilometers north means this side. 3 kilometers north means this side 3 kilometers. And 4 kilometers east. East is this side. 4 kilometers east village. So what is the village coordinates? Tell me. Village location is, tell me, in terms of coordinates. Now if you see, now a village is 3 kilometers north from a place, from a place means from here. A village is 3 kilometers north and 4 kilometers east. Means where the point exactly lies, we don't know. That's why I am not locating. Just I am writing the village coordinates. So village coordinates are what? V 4, 3. Now the question is, does village lies on canal? Means what you need to do? You substitute 4, 3 in canal equation. If it satisfies, it lies. Otherwise not. Okay, na? Now
Yes.
put this
Yes.
one in this equation. X plus y equal to 9/√2. Obviously, we can say directly it does not lie, because 4 plus 3 is an integer, rational number. 9/√2 is irrational. Therefore, 7 is not equal to 9 by root 2. Means village does not lie on canal. Okay, na?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Village does not lie on canal.